Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to create a random letter generator on Microsoft Excel. See, you can follow these steps step by step, or easily you can watch it again and again to make it perfect fine-tuning of yours random generator. So first you have to generate the database. So I will put A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I will insert the other column here. Let's see. I have to generate all of the alphabet. Okay, I will this example only until K alphabet. So on the first column you put 1, 2, 3 as a code of every alphabet. Now I will create the random generator using VLOOKUP and random between. So I will create VLOOKUP. Equal VLOOKUP, open the bracket, and then lookup value, the value you put rand between 1 and 11. In my case, I'm using 11 of alphabet. If you are using full of the alphabet, you put 26 of number. So I will put 1 until 11, and then close the bracket, and then comma, you choose the table array here, and then I put the absolute with pressing F4, and then comma, and then click the second column index number, and then put 0 because this is not I want to make it exact match, and then close the bracket. See, I already generate the random alphabet, so I can drag. See, this is the random alphabet. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. You can follow this easily by you, and then if you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.